Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, we're going to be previewing Lightning at Oak Mountain State Park. Lightning is one of the most well-known trails in Oak Mountain State Park, and for a good reason. Most people do like flow. It has expertly built jumps, and they're all tabletops with only one mandatory drop where you have to get air, but there is a nice go around on that drop. It is a blue trail with 3/4 of a mile of descent and 300 feet over that 3/4 of a mile. It's not too steep of a gradient, and it's pretty fun. This trail is probably definitely the flowiest at Oak Mountain State Park, so if you like machine-built flow, this is definitely one for you. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and subscribe and let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, let's drop in. And that was Lightning Trail. I didn't like this trail as much as I did Roman's Road Trails. Check out that video right here.